Hi everyone, this is the product demonstration video for Iris Audio Query. This is a product which allows users to upload audio files as a knowledge base and then query said knowledge base using natural language. This product is targeted towards the healthcare sector, where the increasing popularity of telemedicine and remote consultations has led to a vast amount of unstructured voice data, which medical professionals are simply not able to easily extract information from. This is where Iris Audio Query comes in. It empowers medical professionals to access this information at their fingertips and improve their overall operational efficiency. This product was of course built on InterSystems Iris, leveraging its file storage capabilities as well as vector search functionality. Next, moving on to the product demonstration itself. To upload an audio file is as simple as choosing a file. Here I've prepared an audio clip of an automated hotline call. Hi, my name is John Smith. I'm calling in because I'm experiencing a cough and a light fever. Once we're happy with that, we can simply select the file and then click upload. A few seconds later, the system will tell us that the file has been uploaded successfully. And we can verify this by going to the Iris management portal. And in the table, we can see that indeed the file has been uploaded successfully, as well as its embeddings. We can then perform any query we want on this audio file, such as what symptoms did John Smith report. Once we submit this query, the system will perform a vector search and then generate the answer using the relevant audio files. And here it tells us that Mr. John Smith has reported symptoms of cough and a light fever. And that concludes the demonstration for Iris Audio Query. Thank you everyone for your attention.